The multiplication problem below shows the partial products with 2 digits missing. What is the value of the 2 missing digits that would make the partial products correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come on down and do the problem. And when I do the problem, see what I did versus what they did and figure out what m is and what n is based on what we can see between the two. So when we're multiplying, you're going to have to multiply and carry some numbers over. So 3 times 4 is 12. Carry over the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So write out the 9. Carry over the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that becomes 492. I don't need this 1 anymore, so let's cross you out. Let's get a different color so we're nice and pretty. Whenever we do the second row for multiplication, include a 0 there and do the same exact thing. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12, so write out the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so a 3 goes there. Now, I don't even have to add these up. That's not the point. The point is we have 2, and then we ended up with 492, which means that m and that 9 are the same thing. So m equals 9. Similarly, this ended up being 3,280 when this was n,280. So that n and that 3 line up together too. So n and 3 are the same thing. So m is the same as 9 and n is the same as 3. Our answer is D.